Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakant Biradar. In learning process of Java, in today's topic, we will learn about methods and its types. Now, methods. Methods is a group of code or group of statement that takes inputs from user and gives output. Methods runs only when it called. It means when we write the method but we cannot call or we not called it not executed the program or it not executed the line of statement which is present in the method. Why we use method or advantages of method? Because to decrease the line of code, the code we write in the program, to decrease the line of code we use method. Then that readability, it means anyone or whomever reads the program at once, he or she able to understand the code. It means the readability of code or readability of program increased by method. Again, repetition. The major advantage of method is repetition, because of using method there is no need to be write a code again and again, repeat, or when we have to give the loop, or when you have to give number of times, it means we have to only call the method, or the method will execute the program. Now, define the method definition and method return type are only two definition. Now, types. There are two types of method: predefined method and user defined method. In predefined method means the methods which are already defined. For example, print, sort, square root, next int. Now, how we know it's predefined or user defined? Now, the predefined methods are always end with semicolon. For example, print small bracket, after that there will be semicolon, square root small bracket, and after that there will be the semicolon. It means the predefined method is always ended with semicolon. Again, there is no curly bracket in predefined methods. There should be no use of any curly bracket. It gives only one condition. Now, and each and every predefined method has one of any class used in class. For example, print predefined method used in system class, sort used in array class, square root used in math class, and after next int used in scanner class, and etc. Now, user defined methods means as per user requirement it developed the method. For example, add, subtraction, multiplication, or show, etc. Now, syntax of user defined method or syntax of method is access modifier, comma, access modifier, or after that function name, after that access modifier, then return type, then function name, or in small bracket there are some parameters, and then block or group of code. I tell you, the method execute the line of code or group of code only when it calls. When we can't call, it never execute the code. Now, there are again four types on the syntax, on the basis of syntax. First one is method with no return type, no and no argument. Second, method with no return type and with argument. Third, method with return type but no argument. And fourth is method with argument and with also return type. All these the information about method. Thank you.